a 6.55. And in third is Mitch Jones with a 6.63. Fourth is Nick Jones. Yes, that's fifth, that's fourth. And fourth is Justin Tabor with an 8.13, and in fifth is Nick Junker with an 8.18. That was 7.17. No, yeah, it was, yeah. Yes, was it? 10.17.